We're taking a quick look at the OneOdio Pro-10 headphones, built with powerful 50mm drivers for deep bass and clear sound. With a comfortable over-ear design, foldable build, and versatile wired connectivity, they're perfect for everyday listening and studio use. What's in the box? In the box, you find the OneOdio Pro 10-ear headphones, 3.5mm to 6.35mm cable, 3.5mm audio cable, and user manual. How to wear. Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably. How to pair. To use the 6.35mm input on the OneOdio Pro-10 headphones, simply connect the included cable by attaching it securely to the headphone jack. Then plug the 3.5mm end into any compatible device, such as a smartphone, laptop, or audio system, allowing you to easily enjoy your favorite music with a stable and clear wired connection. Smart features? Delivers deep, punchy bass with clear mids and crisp highs for a balanced sound experience. Designed to provide strong audio output, making music, gaming, and monitoring more immersive and detailed. Lets you connect easily to smartphones, laptops, mixers, and studio equipment without needing any adapters. Provides flexible compatibility for both casual listening and professional audio setups with stable wired performance. Allows you to connect another headphone directly to your OneOdio Pro-10 without a splitter, so two people can listen to the same audio from one device. Simply plug into the extra port and share music instantly, making it perfect for shared listening or collaboration sessions. Features soft cushioned ear cups and a padded headband that reduce pressure for all-day listening comfort. The over-ear structure helps cover the ears well, improving passive noise isolation while still staying lightweight and easy to wear for long sessions. Designed with a foldable structure that makes it easy to carry, store, and travel with convenience. Built with a strong frame and solid joints to handle daily use, making it reliable for both studio work and on-the-go listening. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the OneOdio Pro-10 headphones from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your OneOdio Pro-10 headphones. See you at the next one.